Happy Diwali.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Ahil. Today is November 2nd, and now this is called Diwali. You can see this in the calendar. You can see this in the calendar in Southfield Village Public School, right over here, or you could go to the Southfield Village Community Center to see it. It's beautiful, guys. You know why they're doing this? Happy Diwali. Are those drones or not? They're so confusing. Like, I'm confused with these. Yeah, like confusing. Look, see? Whoa, that looks like a Hindu they're doing. Whoa. How are they even able to perform that? What are those? Are they using they're making a hand with some jewelry? This is Southfield Village. This is great. Beautiful, voila. It's beautiful. Whoa. You know what sign is that? Hindu.
Hindi.
No, it's Hindu.
I think it's a leather. It's Indian leather.
Yeah, it is, I think, or is it the sign? It says... that was the Indian letter, I think, or is that the Hindu religion sign? Because that looks like a Hindu religion sign, because I see that all the time in my school. And wow, guys, Diwali is just great. Look at this. Are those drones or not? Because how are they? What are those? Because I do not understand what are those. Did you know that Canada is a multicultural religion country? So that means that we welcome every type of religion and we celebrate it. See? This is called Canada. It's respect.
It looks like a chair.
Or, I don't agree with you. I think it's some president. Or that. I know what that is. It's like a present because it's all the Diwali means is like the light destroying the dark. So basically, it's like, so you know the devil and God, right? Basically, those two fighting, but the light won. So basically, God won. So basically, it's a Hindi culture, a Hindu and Hindi culture, and this is what they do. It's right now dark, and now you can see it all going. This is called Hindu. What are they supposed to make? Plus, are those drones or not? Because I do not know where they are. Comment in this video and tell me what they are, because they do not look like anything. They look like just some lights. I'm so confused. They look so beautiful. Like, for all you Hindu guys, happy Diwali. And keep watching. I'm not stopping it. Until the entire thing finishes, I'm stopping. For all you Indians, you're welcome. I'm really pleased. So whoever's doing this drone show, thank you. I really appreciate you. I love this so much. Look, they're making a flower. Look how they make a flower. Wow. All Hindi guys, we love you. Canada loves you. We all respect you. It's not like you're thrown into the void. Canada avoids the void. See, so we're welcoming any culture, British, French, and do not even say it. Muslims too, Christian, done. This is called Old Diwali. Lights for the dark, light always wins. See, it's pointing, it's going up because it's like victory showing up. It's like showing up victory. See, it looks like a sword, right? It looks like a sword and a shield. It's called victory. They're saying victory because the light versus dark and light won. See how it's pointing up? Because the victory was for the light people, for God, not the devil and demons, the God and everything. So this is beautiful. And it even tells you, it shows a sword pointing up because it's a victory sign, right? Exactly. This is beautiful, guys. Wow. I just cannot believe this. Everybody, if this is a kids for you, so you kids, yeah, you. So, if you guys never believe in yourself, because when they're kids, they're not believing themselves. So if they weren't believing, they wouldn't be able to be so confident to do this. They're like, I'm confident, and look, I'm making videos such in a young age, 8 years old. Started at 4 years old. Started at 4 years old because I was believing myself. So, this is beautiful.
And your first video was pranking people, right?
Yep. My first ever video was me riding a scooter, showing you like all those knee pads and things. Yeah, that was my first ever. I was so shy. I was not encouraged, but because I was a brave boy, I did it. This is because it's called bravery. And guys, special news. Since you see me play tabla, because I love the indie, and I know I'm playing songs too. So, in the November 15th, big news. I'm going to a tabla exam. I'll make a video about it, and I'm going to give you all information. It might be next video, it might be a few days. But if I was studying the Hindi religion, then I could not know what this all means. So basically, I'm in grade 3. So basically, we're learning about the indigenous. And indigenous are first people in Canada, but the white people came and attacked. So like, I go over here, and I basically say to you, hey, I like this car, get out of it, it's my car now. But basically, the white people took over Canada in his land, and then done. They destroyed it in their schools. They weren't like this school right now. Right now, that they're like, we go home, we stay with our family. But the long time ago, they did not be able. Like, so if this is my house, and this is our school, so close to each other, but this is the indigenous people's house, this is the school. Like, a long time to go, because the white people. But still, we all, the indigenous, we still respect you. So if you have an enemy, do not show disrespect, show respect. It'll start encouraging them to be kind to you. Because if you have an enemy, like I had lots of enemies, I would just being kind to them. But if they're being like not kind, even though they're only using me, do not talk to them. Just stay away from them. They're fake friends, guys. Bye.